Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Valentine's Day tablescape. This one is more traditional, the red and white theme, and it's part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now the theme is sweet and simple, so let me show you what I came up with. Okay guys, so I've already laid my white tablecloth. I'm going to be using these red chargers. I got them at Michael's, and I'm going to be using these white plates, which I also got at Michael's. They are the 7-inch and the 10-inch sizes. The red chargers will stand out against the white tablecloth, and it's festive and is perfect for Valentine's Day. The chargers were $1.50 each at Michael's, but you could get these at Walmart or any home goods store. Now these plates I really love. They have a beaded rim which makes them look a little bit fancy. They are also plastic, guys, but I thought it would be perfect for this sweet and simple setup. Now for the napkins, I'm using the red napkins to keep the color scheme and to keep it cohesive. I'm not doing any elaborate folds. I'm just going to fold it in half and then fold it again and lay it across the plate. So I went ahead and folded all my napkins, so I'm going to just go ahead and lay them across the remaining plates. Now I'm going to add the 7-inch plate. I'm going to layer it on top of the napkins. And the 7-inch plates, normally your salad plate, you can use it for your appetizers or dessert or just as a side plate. And I think so far it's looking very clean, very balanced, and very easy to set up. For the centerpiece, I'm going to be using these small vases. I got them on Amazon. It's a set of 6, but I'm going to be using 4. And I'm going to put them like in a zigzag pattern in the middle. And then I'm going to add some rose that I got at the dollar store that I had before as well to the vase. I also want to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for heading me to this collaboration. I'm going to be using these taper candlestick holders. I went ahead and added some red bows to keep with the theme. And I got these some time ago on Temu and I really love them. I use them a lot in my setups. I'm just going to be adding them in between the vases down the middle. So far, guys, I really love how it's looking. I think it's coming together nicely. Next, I'm adding my white taper candles, and these I got at the Dollar Tree. So the glassware that I'm using are also from Amazon, but they were a gift from a friend, and I also use them a bit in my setups. And here's the finished Valentine's Day tablescape, guys. I think it looks really lovely. I think it embodies the theme really well, sweet and simple, and very easy to put together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.